In this video, I'll show you how to fix if you ever have the E4 error here on your HP inkjet printer. This will work with many printers, okay? So it's the same trick. First thing you have to do is, if you have a paper jam, is try pulling the paper from this, okay, this part. You see, this way I'll be able to remove this paper quite easily. Let's say it's not possible. The other easiest way is to simply try to pull it from the exit right here. So if you have it, try to pull it. But what if you're not able to do any of these? Well, there's another trick. You need to first close this and this. It will be much easier, and you'll need to flip the printer on the other side. I'll show you. So take the printer, and right under it, and this not many people know that, there is a small cap here, a small door. You may have a blue sticker here. You need to remove it. Like so. You don't need it anymore, by the way. And then you see there is a trap here held by these two small plastic tabs. All you have to do is pull them like so, and the trap will open. And as you can see here, I have a paper that is trapped. This is causing the paper jam. Maybe you can try to remove it from here. Here we go. So sometimes the paper will get stuck there, and this is really the only way. You just have to pull it pieces by pieces. Make sure there's nothing left there. Here we go. So this was the stuck paper. All you have to do is to clip back this part, make sure it's not coming off, and flip the printer. You'll have to press this button that is blinking right here. Press it once, and the error will disappear. So this is how you fully cleared the error. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.